Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share how I have started my website blog. In Donimalai, in KV Donimalai, I started preparing practice questions as well as MCQ worksheets sets for all classes 6 to 10, for which my principal and chairman appreciated my work in the year 2010-11. Right. Later in 2011, I started preparing maths question bank for all classes 6 to 10 and sample papers for Essay 1 and Essay 2 so that the students can practice and develop their study habits. I learned from this that the students develop their interest automatically if their own teachers prepare some sort of study materials for them. So in the session 12-13, I started preparing physics reference material also for class 9th and 10th along with revised maths question banks for all classes 6 to 10. Then I started circulating to all KVS regional office through mails. Later, and I have received one appreciation letter from the then DC KVS RO Bangalore on Teachers Day, 5th September 2013. So later in KV Gachibowli, I felt that there should be one platform that learning and teaching study material, that is LTSM, in mathematics as well as science also. From there, the student can access multiple number of practice questions to practice well. So I started preparing my study material website blog since 1st April 2015. That is named as www.kumasa34.wordpress.com as my innovative practices LTSM, that is learning and teaching study material in mathematics as well as in science, to provide all my own prepared study materials which is free access to everyone. So I have prepared different types of platforms in my website blog. So first, it consists question bank of maths for all classes, study material of primary classes for all subjects, classes 1 to 5th, and reference study materials of science for class 6 to 10th, sample test papers of all exams for all classes, online practice test papers which is in the Google form for class 9 to 12th, sample paper test of maths 10th and 12th for board exam 2021. Now this year also I'm going to continue from the coming Sunday, that is 26th September for 2022, and RoboCompass resources for class 9th and 10th, GeoGebra resources for class 9th and 10th, then case study questions for both for maths and science for classes 9th and 10th, and maths class 9th and 10th assertion and reasoning based questions, and maths MCQ question bank of class 6 to 10th, and my all YouTube video lessons of classes 9th and 10th. So these are the different platforms I have prepared in my website, and this is the front page of my website blog. See, all whatever I told that the different platforms all here on one page only, all the links, right? And I have prepared, and this is my link, and I have prepared math sample papers for class 6 to 10 for all exams to remove exam stress and fear and to improve self-confidence and time management. I have prepared more than 600 e-contents, study materials of maths and science, and uploaded in my website blog during last 6 years for all the students community across the world. And I have also uploaded primary class worksheets from class 1 to 5th for all subjects English, Hindi, EVS and mathematics. Actually, these worksheets I have prepared for my own son. What I have observed that through these worksheets, my students are doing very well. So I thought that let us apply for my children. So my children are also doing well by using these worksheets. So I have uploaded all those worksheets in my blog. And my study materials for class 1 to 12, sample papers for all classes, and minimum level learning materials for class 10th and 12th are being used by most of the students and teachers in our country, and also by other nations in different continents. And the students and teachers from 142, now it is 143 countries are utilizing my blog. So I would like to show you. So this is the stats for all time, and see, in India only the 2 crore views crossed. It is now 2 crore 7,87,425, and altogether the total countries visited is 143 countries. And really I'm proud being an Indian that my website blog content materials are being used by so many countries. Right now, these are the links of class wise, class 1 to 12th, and in the 2016, and I was awarded with first international teacher exchange program with Japan, and I was grateful to MHRD, Government of India, for the selection in the first international teacher exchange program with Japan. 5 teachers were selected from KVS, and I was among one of them. I got an opportunity to teach Indian multiplication to 5th grade students in Tokyo, Japan, through PowerPoint presentation. And this is the certificate, and these are some clips. In this first clip, I'm teaching the 5th grade students Indian multiplications, and the second, third clips are classroom observation. I got an opportunity to observe the classes of maths and primary classes, and this is the conference conducted between Japan teachers and Indian teachers. And in the year 2018, I was awarded with the KVS Regional Incentive Award 2018 by KVS RO Regional Office, Hyderabad. KVS Regional Incentive Award is given to the sincere and dedicated employees who have contributed really to the noble cause of education and are still making untiring efforts for the betterment of education. I was awarded with the regional award on 11th January 2019. This is the picture of certificate. Now coming to my YouTube channel. Now, on the request of many children, including my own students who are using my website blog, I started preparing my video lesson. I was sharing the video lessons through WhatsApp to my students, which was boon to them for doing revision n number of times. So, in order to share the video lessons with other students, I have prepared my YouTube channel named as Kumar Online Channel, in which I have uploaded more than 600 video lessons for class 9th and 10th and 6th also, including all chapters and revision series. Many students and teachers are using my video lessons from different regions of India and in 26 other countries. And this is the link of my YouTube channel, right? And I would like to show the front page of my YouTube channel. This is the analytics of my channel. So till date 23,87,223 views are there, and 17,908 subscribers are there. And I have started on 23rd March 2020. So 1.5 year is over, and in 1.5 year this is the response. So this shows that how much being used by many of students and teachers. So this is the country-wise analytics. So total 26 countries are used till date, and out of 26 countries, more than 10 countries are the frequent user of my YouTube channel. Now coming to this picture I have taken on 7th September, right? And this picture also I have taken on 7th September. 26 countries are using, and these are the feedbacks from teachers on my study materials and videos. The links are available in my website blog under feedback videos. These are the student feedback videos and parents feedback videos. Now I have prepared so many tutorials through my YouTube channel for students and teachers. This is learn how to use RoboCompass for construction, right? And how to record Google Meet live online classes, how to create same Google Meet for all online classes, how to prepare maths practice test paper on Google Form, how to use Google Meet for online classes. This is I have conducted for our staff, and I have prepared one chapter of radio podcast lessons and 2 chapters from class 9th, prepared for Honorable Prime Minister E-Vidya project and submitted to KVS headquarters, New Delhi through KVS RO Hyderabad. And this is the link of that Google Drive link of podcast lessons. Now I have also conducted one Skype interaction motivation, some clarification of doubts with the RD International School students, class 10 students, Erode, Tamil Nadu. And this is the link of that. And this is the picture of that online interaction. And this is my Facebook page through which I am using my study materials and my video lessons regularly. And I have registered my whole class and motivated all my students to participate in BRICS Maths online platform in 2019 as well as in 2020, for which I have received the appreciation certificate from the BRICS Maths team. These are the certificates of appreciation. And school building have traditionally been conceived and treated merely as bricks and mortar structure to house education activity. The interface between the building design and the design of the teaching and learning program has received scant attention, and the possibility of using the physical space as a learning resources only sporadically explored. So building as learning aid, this is a very fantastic platform where it is popularly known as BALA. It is about developing school spaces, the classrooms, the floors, the walls, doors, windows, pillars, corridors, the outdoor spaces and the natural environment as learning resources. So I have used many such spaces for learning resources like this one, concentric circles, finding the area of circular ring with class 10 students in lobby. This is situated in our lobby, and so many so many other activities also I conducted, and this is the link of the brief report of BALA. Coming to mathematics project exhibition, I used to conduct every year for class 10th mathematics project exhibition. This will give a hand-on experience of students. They will make the projects related to life situations with respect to the context, our textbook context, and all students were encouraged and motivated to make mathematics concrete models every year. Only the last year and this year we are not able to conduct because of online class mode. Up to 2019 I have conducted every year, and the students were awarded also first, second, third prize and consolation prizes. And now coming to the training teachers by using ICT tools as resource person. So I have conducted 10 days induction course for newly recruited teachers, TGT Maths as resource person in the month of May 2018. And I have also conducted 2 days workshop for all TGT Maths of our region, that is Hyderabad region, as resource person for from 7th to 12th July 2018 to 13 July 2018. And I have also conducted regional level capacity building workshop for batch PISA mathematics literacy for batch 1 in the month of September for 3 days, and for batch 2 in the same month for another 3 days. This the batch 1 conducted in the Hyderabad and batch 2 conducted in the Visakhapatnam. 1 day regional level workshop also I have conducted for HMs as a resource person on 18 November 2019. And online 5 days KVS regional level workshop for TGT Maths on competency based learning in mathematics as a resource person from 17th to 22 December, excluding Sunday. All 5 days, one region I have conducted a workshop in different regions: Bangalore region, Kolkata region, Ernakulam region, Chennai region and Hyderabad region. And I have also conducted online 1 day regional level reorientation workshop for CCT mentors for Telangana state for batch 1 and 2 as a resource person on 21st December and 22nd December. So learning with fun to create more interest in statistics, that is the class 10 chapter, I am integrating the mean, median and mode formula with Microsoft MS Excel. After the completion of all the exercises, what I used to do, I used to make the students to solve the questions in the Excel sheet, and the students love to do the problems because they are interacting with the computer. And also the learning odd numbers, even numbers and prime numbers using game for class 6 students. So this is the picture of that doing exercise questions in Excel sheet. And in the last 9 years of APAR, I got 5 times 10 out of 10, and the average of last 9 years is 9.79, and last 7 years result This year I got the highest PI, that is 92.50, and the last year also 90.15. So this is the continuous 2 years I got more than 90 PI in my class 10th result. So thank you very much.
So today we are going to study about the different types of playing cards. Okay. So in 52 playing cards we have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So इसमें क्वेश्चन कैसे आते हैं कि अगर मान लो one card is drawn from 52 playing cards, 52 pack of playing cards. So what is the probability of getting red card? So how many red cards are there? 26. So 26 upon 52. ठीक है. अभी red cards, there are two types of red cards. One is heart cards, जो 30 होते हैं, and another type is, this is the symbol of heart card, okay, and another type is diamond cards, and this is also 30. So 13 plus 13, 26. And black cards में दो होते हैं, this is the symbol of diamond card. Black cards में भी दो होते हैं, एक club card और दूसरा, this is the symbol of club card, and the next one is 13 spade cards. So this is also 13 plus 30 is 26. तो ये चार टाइप के कार्ड्स होते हैं पूरे 52 playing cards. This is the symbol of spade card. Okay. अब what is the probability of getting club card? 13 by 52. So 52 cards है, इसमें 30 club cards है. So 13 by 52. That is 1 by 4. अभी इसी में थोड़ा सा लोग ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं कैसे? What is the probability of getting either red card or spade card? So red cards, how many red cards? 26. How many spade cards? 30. So 26 plus 30, 39. So 39 upon 50. Right. So 30 जो diamond cards होते हैं, उसमें एक king होता है, right? 13 hard cards में एक king होगा, एक queen, एक jack और एक ace, और 2 to 10 number cards will be 1-1. Altogether 13 cards. And for diamond also we have 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, 2 to 10 cards, that is number cards, 8 ace. So only 13 cards. Similarly we have 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, 2 to 10 cards, that is all number cards. 13 cards होते हैं club, or similarly for spade cards. Now the question is like that, what is the probability of getting queen of spade? 1 by 52. Right. तो अब इसमें देखो, तो 13 जो हार्ड कार्ड्स हैं उसमें एक एस हो गया और 2 to 10 नंबर कार्ड्स हो गए, एंड इसमें जो फेस दिख रहा है, so that is why these cards are known as फेस कार्ड्स. ठीक है. तो फेस कार्ड्स में हार्ड कितने हैं? फेस कार्ड्स में हार्ड कार्ड्स कितने हैं? 3. ओके. नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स 13 डायमंड कार्ड्स. डायमंड कार्ड्स में एक एस और 2 to 10 नंबर कार्ड्स. ठीक है. और जे क्यू के, इसमें फेस है तो इसको फेस कार्ड्स बोलते हैं. सो हाउ मेनी डायमंड फेस कार्ड्स आर देयर? 3. हाउ मेनी रेड फेस कार्ड्स आर देयर? 6. राइट. वेरी गुड. सो सिमिलरली वी हैव 13 क्लब कार्ड्स. उसमें भी एक एस है और 2 to 10 नंबर्स है, एंड जे क्यू के, these are face cards. And 13 spade cards, 1 ace and 2 to 10 number cards, and J, Q, K face cards. So how many black face cards are there? 6. Right. So अभी हम लोग move करते हैं face cards. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है, कैसे आएगा? What is the probability of getting face cards? So how many face cards? 12. Out of 52. So what is the probability? 12 by 52. उसको फिर 55 करेंगे, 3 by 30. Right. अभी 12 फेस कार्ड्स में हम लोग देखें रेड 6 थे और ब्लैक 6 फेस कार्ड. So what is the probability of getting black face card? 6 by 52. What is the probability of getting red face card? 6 by 52. Very good. अभी रेड फेस कार्ड्स में 3 हार्ड कार्ड्स है और 3 डायमंड कार्ड. Just now we have seen the pictures. Similarly black face cards में 3 club cards है और 3 spade cards. Now what is the probability of getting, now listen carefully, what is the probability of getting red card or spade card? Red card or spade card. Red card कितने होते हैं? 26, ठीक है। इधर देखो रेड कार्ड टोटल 26 होता है और स्पेड कार्ड कितने होते हैं 30। मैं फेस कार्ड पूछ नहीं हूँ, रेड कार्ड और स्पेड, तो टोटल हो गया 30, ठीक है। इन दोनों में कॉमन एक ही है बिकॉज दिस इज रेड कलर एंड दिस इज ब्लैक कलर, क्लियर। सो 39 by 52। अभी क्वेश्चन ध्यान से सुनो, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग रेड कार्ड और फेस कार्ड। सो रेड कार्ड कितने होते हैं 26, ठीक है। 26 रेड कार्ड जब हम लोग ले लिए तो सारे जो रेड कार्ड्स हैं फेस कार्ड्स हैं वो भी चला गया उसी में। सो हाउ मेनी फेस कार्ड्स लेफ्ट 6 only। सो 26 plus 6, so total 32. So the required probability is 32 by 52. This is clear? Okay. अब ये जो 3 हार्ड कार्ड्स हैं उसमें एक किंग है, एक क्वीन है और एक जैक है, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, ठीक है। और डायमंड में भी एक किंग, एक क्वीन और एक जैक है, ठीक है। सिमिलरली प्लस में भी और स्पेड में भी एक किंग और एक क्वीन और एक जैक है। अब इसमें क्वेश्चन देखो, what is the probability of getting red queen card 2 by 50। कितने देखो एस भी 4 होते हैं, 2 रेड 2 ब्लैक और जे भी यहाँ पे 4 होंगे, 2 रेड 2 ब्लैक। हर एक टाइप का जितने भी कार्ड्स हैं सब 2 होंगे, रेड और 2 ब्लैक होंगे, टोटल 4। So what is the probability of getting queen card 4 by 52, that is 1/30। ओके, अब ध्यान से सुनो, मैं जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग नाइदर फेस कार्ड नॉर स्पेड कार्ड। फेस कार्ड भी नहीं होना चाहिए और स्पेड भी नहीं होना चाहिए। तो स्पेड कितने हैं, फेस कार्ड कितने हैं, राइट, और स्पेड कितने हैं टोटल 30। इसमें 3 कॉमन है, 3 कॉमन है, कौन से ये Q, J और K, ये सारे स्प्रेड है ना, ये तीनों हम लोग एक ही काउंट कर लिए, यहाँ पर भी किए, यहाँ पर भी किए। तो और का मैंने कंसेप्ट बताया था ऐड बोथ एंड सबट्रैक्ट कॉमन। सो ऐड बोथ मींस 25 minus 3, so what we are getting 22। so the probability of getting face card or spade card is 22। मेरा क्वेश्चन था neither face card nor spade card, तो ये 22 कार्ड्स नहीं होने चाहिए। तो अब क्या करेंगे 52 में से सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे, राइट। so the probability is 30 by 52। this is clear? So in the previous class we have studied about the different types of quadrilaterals. So let us see the family of quadrilaterals. So let us start with the first quadrilateral. And first type of quadrilateral is parallelogram, and the second type is trapezium, and the third type is kite. Okay. और जितने भी different types of parallelogram जो हम लोग पढ़े थे, square, rectangle, और कौन सा पढ़े थे, rhombus, और कौन सा, बस उतना ही पढ़े हम लोग, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, रोम्बस, और कुछ नहीं पढ़े। ट्रेपेजियम हो गया यहाँ पर। चलो हम लोग अब पैरेललोग्राम पे आते हैं। पैरेललोग्राम की जो सबसे फर्स्ट टाइप है रेक्टेंगल, ठीक है। और रोम्बस जो है इट इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ काइट आल्सो एंड इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, ठीक है। So I am recapitulating on the definition of different types of quadrilateral. First, let us come towards parallelogram. So what is the when quadrilateral is said to be parallelogram? If its opposite sides are parallel to each other. अगर इसके opposite sides parallel है तो ये parallelogram। And trapezium, it is one pair of opposite sides is parallel to each other. And what is kite? Total 4 pairs of adjacent sides होते हैं। If any 2 pairs of adjacent sides are equal, then that quadrilateral is said to be kite। और rhombus में देखो दोनों adjacent sides equal है, so that is why we used to say rhombus is a special type of kite। Okay, now विल मूव टुवर्ड्स स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर में देखो दोनों साइड में कनेक्ट किया, एक रेक्टेंगल से भी और एक रोम्बस से भी. व्हाई रोम्बस? इन व्हाट कंडीशन रोम्बस इज अ स्क्वायर? फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल. इसमें ऑलरेडी है, इसमें भी फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल है, लेकिन किस कौन सा कंडीशन और ऐड करने से रोम्बस स्क्वायर हो जाएगा? वन एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. अगर एक एंगल 90 डिग्री हो गया तो ऑल एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री, सो दैट विल बिकम अ स्क्वायर. सो रेक्टेंगल में ऑल एंगल्स, ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री ऑलरेडी यूज्ड है. सो इन व्हाट कंडीशन रेक्टेंगल इज अ स्क्वायर? व्हेन द लेंथ एंड द ब्रेड्थ आर इक्वल. ठीक है, लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ दोनों इक्वल हो जाएगा, तो चारों साइड इक्वल हो जाएंगे, तब इस कंडीशन में स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल जो है स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. तो स्क्वायर इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. Square is a special type of rhombus. Is that clear? So what we can say that all squares are rhombus. All squares are rectangle. But all rectangles are not square. All rhombus are not square. This is clear? ऐसे ही अगर हम लोग रिवर्स पे जाएंगे, all rhombus, all rectangles, all squares are parallelograms. But all parallelograms are not rhombus. All parallelograms are not rectangle. All parallelograms are not square. Is that clear? Now trapezium में एक और टाइप है isosceles trapezium. ठीक है? So now we are going to do one activity based on different types of quadrilaterals using set squares. Set squares दो टाइप का होता है. एक है scalene triangle, it is in the shape of scalene triangle. दोनों right triangle होते हैं. एक scalene होता है और एक isosceles होता है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं कौन सा? स्क्वायर, देन रेक्टेंगल, देन पैरेललोग्राम, रोम्बस, देन ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द स्क्वायर. और सभी के लिए हम लोग को क्या चाहिए? सेट स्क्वायर चाहिए. कितने? 4 स्केलर सेट स्क्वायर एंड 4 आइसोसेलेस सेट स्क्वायर. ये सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए, एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन, स्क्वायर. इसमें क्या करना है? पहले to create a square we have to take two isosceles set squares 90 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री. उसको हम लोग डायगोनल के साथ में अटैच करना है. ठीक है, डायगोनली हम लोग को अटैच करना है. ट्रेस द आउटलाइन ऑफ द शेप दैट इज ऑब्टेन ऑन ड्राइंग शीट एंड ऑब्जर्व द शेप इज a square. See, I am going to take one set square. उसके बाद दूसरा वाला यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करेंगे. ठीक है, in this case we will get square. This I will show you, demonstrate you in the computer also. Next, to create a rectangle. Rectangle create करेंगे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दो आइसोसेलेस स्केलर सेट स्क्वायर लेंगे, उसको फिर ज्वाइन करेंगे. ठीक है, तो एक तो लेंगे हम लोग, सेकंड वाला यहीं पे ज्वाइन करेंगे. सो ये कौन सा शेप आ गया? Rectangle. Right. Now to create a parallelogram. So what we are going to take two isosceles set squares. दो तरीके से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. We can take either two isosceles set square or two scalene set square. तो पहले हम लोग isosceles set squares को ज्वाइन करते हैं. देखो ये हो गया isosceles का एक, दूसरा वाला यहाँ पे उल्टा ज्वाइन कर देंगे. So this figure is a parallelogram. और एक तो हम लोग scalene set square ले रहे हैं. Another we will join here. So what shape you are getting here also? So this is the two way to create a parallelogram, right? Now next rhombus. Rhombus के लिए हम लोग को 4 स्केलर सेट स्क्वायर की जरूरत है और चारों को हम लोग एक साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे. So this is the first. और दूसरा वाला इसको फ्लिप करके वहाँ पे ज्वाइन करेंगे. ठीक है, and third one we will flip this one to this side and the fourth one we will flip this one to that side, right? और यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो ये क्या? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द डायगोनल एंड डायगोनल्स आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर एंड दिस टू आर आल्सो इक्वल बिकॉज़ वी आर यूजिंग सेम सेट स्क्वायर एंड दिस टू आर आल्सो इक्वल. So we can say that diagonals bisect each other at right angle. This is the property of rhombus. Okay. So now we are moving towards the last activity to create a trapezium. तो trapezium के लिए क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will take 3 to 4 isosceles triangle. पहले हम लोग स्क्वायर कंप्लीट करेंगे. ठीक है, 3 not 4. 3 isosceles set square and 3 scalene set square. राइट, तो उसको पहले कंप्लीट करने के पहले स्क्वायर कंप्लीट करेंगे। ऑलरेडी हम लोग स्क्वायर कंप्लीट किए थे, यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किए। अब ये वाला यहाँ पे फ्लिप करके ऐड करो या उल्टा ऐड कर सकते हो, दोनों तरीके से ऐड कर सकते हैं। इसको फ्लिप कर सकते हैं या ये वाला यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है। सो दिस इज रिपीटिंग बिकॉज दिस टू sides are parallel. Now we are going to take 3 scaling set square. तो उसमें हम लोग पहले रेक्टेंगल कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो रेक्टेंगल कैसे कंप्लीट किया थे, इसको यहाँ पे ज्वाइंट किए, ठीक है। अब ये वाला हम लोग फ्लिप करके ऐड कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, या इसी को यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं सेम इसी पोजीशन पे, ठीक है। तो हम लोग को क्या मिल गया, ये ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल। हाँ देखो, एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, बाहर एक पॉइंट लेके यहाँ से हम लोग टैंजेंट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं। सो दैट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन, ओके। सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू take one center and we have to draw one circle of the given radius, right? 6 cm to 6 cm. Now we have to take point 10 cm away from the center, okay? यहाँ से उसके बाद लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे। अब इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे। कैसे करेंगे, यहाँ से हाफ से ज्यादा दोनों तरफ आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे और यहाँ से ड्रॉ करेंगे the same radius, okay? With the same radius we have to draw arc on both sides. So we will note the point of intersection on both sides. Okay, दूसरे साइड पे हम लोग करते हैं with same radius, radius change नहीं करना है। Now from center to center O also we are going to arc, both will intersect at point B, इसको हम point B देंगे, ठीक है। Now we will join AB. अगर AB को join करेंगे तो it will intersect OA point N. So that is the midpoint. क्योंकि बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करेंगे, so वो जो पॉइंट है N जो है that is the midpoint of OA. So now what we will do, we will draw a circle with center N and radius NB. And these 2 points, it will intersect at the 2 points, intersect the inner circle at 2 points, a P and a Q. Now we will join R on Q. P और P2 दोनों को ज्वाइन करेंगे, ठीक है। P R P2, so P R P2 are the required two angles. Here, ये 0 चल रहा है, so ये 9 plus का है, ये 10 plus का है। So and activity on surface is there, mensuration also there, and activity on cement diamonds are also there. So what is SAS similarity criteria? Two corresponding sides are proportional and included corresponding included angle are equal. So you see यहाँ पे ये दोनों साइड है, these two sides, these two sides are proportional with these two sides. कभी A to KA है और B to KA, and these two angles are equal, ठीक है। अगर यहाँ पर हम इसको अगर वन साइड करके देखें तो ये दोनों एंगल ठीक है। ये वाला एंगल भी इक्वल है और ये वाला एंगल, अगर हम लोग उसको बड़ा छोटा करेंगे तो एग्जैक्टली और करेंगे जब हम लोग पूरा पीरियड पर वन करेंगे। ये वाला जो है अभी इसको अगर हम इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप करेंगे तो ये दोनों एंगल देखो इक्वल हो रहा है, ठीक है, ओके। सबसे पहले प्रोट्रैक्टर लेना है, ये प्रोट्रैक्टर चाहिए, ओके। प्रोट्रैक्टर का ये जो सेंटर पार्ट है वो इसके वर्टेक्स से कॉन्साइड करना है। कॉन्साइड हुआ अभी नहीं हुआ, नहीं अभी हुआ, देखो हो गया ना। अब यहाँ पे देखो 61 के बाद ये 61 और 62 के बीच में है। आर यू एबल टू सी? थोड़ा और बड़ा कर देगा। अब देखो ध्यान से, तो ऊपर वाला नहीं देखना, नीचे वाला मेजरमेंट देखना, ठीक है। नीचे वाला सो 122 है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, क्लियर। इसको हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे, रोटेट करेंगे। फिर ये जो सेंटर है इसका वर्टेक्स के साथ में ज्वाइन करना है, ये यहाँ पर देखो नीचे वाला मेजरमेंट नहीं, मतलब इसमें भी लेफ्ट साइड से ही करना है। मेजरिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड होगी, राइट साइड होगी, ठीक है। जब हम लोग राइट साइड से मेजर करते हैं तो नीचे वाला सेमी सर्कल आपको देखना है राइट टू लेफ्ट, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर देखो 45 अप्रॉक्सीमेटली आ रहा है, क्लियर, राइट। अभी हम लोग कुछ दूसरे एंगल्स मेजर करते हैं। ये वाला मेजर करते हैं, देखिए राइट एंगल दिख रहा है, एक बार 90 डिग्री आ रहा है तो चेक कर लेते हैं। सो एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री आ रहा है, ठीक है, क्लियर। नाउ वी मेजर दिस वन। अब इसको, क्योंकि ये फिगर जो है, अगर हम लोग इस एंगल को यहाँ से मेजर करते हैं, मेजर फ्रॉम दिस साइड राइट टू लेफ्ट, तो हम लोग को नीचे वाला देखना है, 60 आ रहा है। अगर हम इसको लेफ्ट टू राइट देखेंगे तो ऊपर वाला देखना है, ध्यान से देखो, मैं करके दिखा रहा हूं। ये भी ऊपर वाला देखना है, 60 आ रहा है। तो ऐसे हम लोग एंगल मेजर करेंगे, राइट। चलो ठीक है, अभी तुम लोग मेजर करके एक में दिखाओ, राइट। कौन देना काम, तो हम लोग अभी स्क्वायर बनाने जा रहे हैं। स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, पहले एक्सरसाइज सेट कर लेंगे। अब इसका एक कॉपी है, ठीक है। कॉपी करने के लिए देखो कंट्रोल दबा के, नहीं वेट, कंट्रोल दबा के माउस स्लाइड करना है, हो गया। अब इसको रोटेट करो, रोटेट We got the rectangle? Okay, very good. Now we are going to construct parallelogram. Okay? तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक आइसोसेलेस सेट स्क्वायर से भी कर सकते हैं और एक हम लोग स्केलिंग सेट स्क्वायर से भी कर सकते हैं। पैरेलल करने we are going to construct parallelogram using isosceles set square. तो एक कॉपी कर दो, कॉपी कंट्रोल दबा के ड्रैग करो, एक आ जाएगा। Now we have to rotate इसको ऐसा पूरा फुल रोटेट करना है। रोटेट करना यहाँ पर भी इस टाइप कॉपी बनाएंगे। ओके, we will make one copy इस साइड से। Now rotate करने के बाद इसको ज्वाइन करो। देखो पास के ज्वाइन के लिए कंट्रोल दबा के मिलता है, धीरे धीरे ज्वाइन हो जाए। राइट, तो ये हो गया हम लोग का पैरेललोग्राम using isosceles set square and scalene set square. Now we are going to see, we are going to create rhombus using 4 scalene set square. तो इसके लिए 4 चाहिए। पहले तो ये ड्रैग कर लिए, इसको फ्लिप करके अटैच करना। देखो फॉर्मेट में यहाँ पर रोटेट में क्लिक करें, क्लिक और वर्टिकल फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल, हम लोग को फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल हो गया। ज्वाइन हो गया। अब इसको वर्टिकली फ्लिप करना है इस साइड। हम लोग क्या करें, एज इट इज यहाँ कॉपी कर देंगे। नाउ फॉर्मेट रोटेट फ्लिप वर्टिकल एग्जैक्टली अटैच हो गया। Now this also we have to attach by using flip vertical. तो पहले कंट्रोल दबा के ड्रैग कर ली, राइट, फॉर्मेट रोटेट flip vertical. ओके खत्म। Now see these two sides are equal because we are using same set square and these two are equal. So that means this point is the midpoint of these two. Or we can say that diagonals bisect each other. Okay, diagonals of number bisect each other, and this is 90 degree because this is a set square. All set squares are right triangle. ये चारों 90 degree. So the diagonals of the number bisect each other is 90 degree. So ये right now we are going to make trapezium. Trapezium के लिए हम लोग क्या क्या चाहिए? पहले स्क्वायर बनाओ, isosceles. So we can make trapezium by using either isosceles set square or scalene set square. So isosceles, when you are using isosceles set square, you have to make square first. तो square के लिए चाहिए, उसको एक ज्वाइन भी करना है। तो मैं going to make one of them. ठीक है, और इसको रोटेट करके ज्वाइन करना है। देखो ध्यान से, because you have to perform and to कीबोर्ड और टैब से काम पास करो। हो गया? अभी इसको यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करना है, यहाँ पे या तो उल्टा कर सकते हो, रोटेट करके कर सकते हो। क्लियर? दिस इज द ट्रापेजोइड। इसको हम लोग फ्लिप भी कर सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छा। देखो फ्लिप करके ऐसा भी नहीं होता। क्लियर? This is also correct, that is also correct. Now, अब isosceles triangle हम लोग use scalene set square. तो 3 कॉपी चाहिए, 3 कॉपी भी बनाते हैं। इसको पहले रोटेट कर लेते हैं। रोटेट पूरा नहीं हुआ। ओके, ज्वाइन कर लेंगे। So we got rectangle. Okay. Now join this one to this one. इसको flip भी कर सकते हैं। So this is also trapezium. So our activity completed. Right. Now you have to show me ऊपर से रोटेट करो, ऊपर से रोटेट करो, ऊपर से रोटेट करो। यस, ऐसे ही काम करो। ये नहीं आगे क्या करेगा, ये बहुत बड़ी ये दोनों मिलते हैं। रोटेट करो, पहले रोटेट करो, राइट, वेरी गुड। नाउ बेस लाइन कॉन्साइड करो, बेस लाइन, सेंटर भी कॉन्साइड करो, सेंटर, वेरी गुड, ओके गुड। नाउ सी द एंगल, वेरी गुड, 40 डिग्री। और सेकेंड एंगल, कलीन, चलो कलीन ट्राई करेगा सेकेंड एंगल। पहले सेंटर कॉन्साइड करो, बेस लाइन भी, वेरी गुड, बेस लाइन कॉन्साइड हो गया, गुड, सेंटर भी कॉन्साइड हो गया, राइट। नाउ सी द एंगल, 68, ओके फाइन, वेरी गुड, चलो हटो, हाँ रितिका, you will write, you measure this angle, rotate the protractor and baseline coincide करो, पहले baseline rotate करो और rotate करो, yes yes, good good, यस यस हो गया, हाँ ठीक है। अभी सेंटर वाला, सेंटर कॉन्साइड करो, बेस लाइन पूरा कंसाइड नहीं है, हो गया, राइट। नाउ मेजर द एंगल, 44, ओके वेरी गुड, चलो हाँ कंटिन्यू। फर्स्ट यू मेक वन कॉपी, राइट, वेरी गुड, देन रोटेट एंड जॉइन। कॉपी नहीं हुआ, कॉपी नहीं हुआ, हाँ अब हुआ कॉपी। कंट्रोल छोड़ दो, रोटेट एंड जॉइन, और रोटेट करो, और थोड़ा और, 10 10 10। नाउ जॉइन,
यूज कंट्रोल एंड एरो. हो गया? राइट. नाउ लिव इट. ओके फाइन, वेरी गुड. ओके, और किसका बट किया था? नेहा. राइट. नेहा, you have to create rectangle. Wait, first control, move. Yes, leave control. छोड़ दो कंट्रोल. हाँ, 3 हो गया. एक तो सेलेक्ट करके डिलीट कर लो. अब सेकेंड वाले को रोटेट करना है. रोटेट. आफ्टर रोटेटिंग यू हैव टू ज्वाइन. वेरी गुड. और थोड़ा रोटेट करो. परफेक्ट नहीं है. नीचे. राइट. हो गया. कंप्लीटेड. वेरी गुड. नाउ यू हैव क्रिएटेड रेक्टेंगल, राइट? ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन आदित्य. नाउ यू हैव टू क्रिएट पैरेललोग्राम. एक जन इस तरफ आ जाओ. राइट. रोटेट. थोड़ा सा रोटेट करो. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट और एक तो क्या है? उसको लेफ्ट साइड में ज्वाइन करो. राइट. वेरी गुड. रोटेट. क्या कर रहा है? छोड़ दो. जॉइंट लेफ्ट साइड. या. राइट. लिव इट. वेरी गुड. राइट. अब नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक रॉम्बस. राइट. सो फर्स्ट यू मेक 4 copies. one copy. उसको फ्लिप करना है. फॉर्मेट में क्लिक करो. फॉर्मेट में. वेरी गुड. उसमें देखो फ्लिप हॉरिजॉन्टल. राइट. वेरी गुड. उसी को फिर से नीचे कॉपी करो. सेम. उसी को फिर से कॉपी करो. नीचे लेके जाओ. कॉपी करके कंट्रोल दबा के. ओके फाइन. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ कंट्रोल दबा के करना है. कंट्रोल दबा के शिफ्ट करो. हाँ, कंट्रोल छोड़ दो. नहीं, दोनों भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ, वो एक साथ फ्लिप करो. वर्टिकल. एक साथ वर्टिकली करो. आ जाएगा वो. फ्लिप वर्टिकल. आ गया. राइट. Very good. Okay. Now only one is left. Now next you have trapezium. Take it. Ritika, तुम ये वाला लेफ्ट वाला. अभी करनी है. अभी एक क्रिटिकल करने दो और दोनों में तुम एक कर रही. लेफ्ट साइड. You have to make 3 copies, है ना? 1. Joint. Then we will get square. Okay? अब उसका एक और कॉपी वहीं से करो. उसी का कॉपी करो. कंट्रोल दबा के. वेरी गुड. उसको ज्वाइन करो. हाँ, वैसे ही ज्वाइन करो. राइट. वेरी गुड. नाउ दिस इज अ ट्रेपेजियम. राइट. Kalin, now next you right side. First you make 3 copies. उसको ज्वाइंट करके
रोटेट करके ज्वाइंट करो, यू विल गेट रेक्टेंगल. रोटेट. यस, रोटेट सलीम. Slowly. Rotate. पूरा एक्टिविटीज हो गया.
So, learning with fun to create more interest in statistics, that is the class 10 chapter, I am integrating the mean, median and mode formula with Microsoft MS Excel. After the completion of all the exercises, what I used to do, I used to make the students to solve the questions in the Excel sheet, and the students love to do the problems because they are interacting with the computer. Now I have also conducted one Skype interaction, motivation, some clarification of doubts with the RD International School students, class 10 students, Erode, Tamil Nadu.
So, first of all, you have to complete the entire syllabus from the ACRE. Okay, sir. Are you able to hear me? Okay. Because to understand the concepts of each and every chapter, first of all, you have to complete the entire syllabus from the ACRE. Include that optional exercise also. And while completing the chapter, you try to write all the concepts, formulas, and whatever the statement, theorem statement on a particular sheet, like A4 sheet. In order to, whenever you want to revise, you can go through that for a quick revision. And
x plus 3 y is equal to 5. Okay. Now this equation is not written in standard form. So first of all, we have to write this equation in this form. Okay. So we'll shift 5 to this side. So in S5, if you shift to this side, it will become 5. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. Now this is in the form of ax plus 3y plus 6 is 0. Now comparing it. Comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get what is the value of a, what is the value of b, what is the value of c. इसके साथ अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे, so the value of a is 2, the value of b is 3. the value of c is minus 5. Okay. So first exercise में ये इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन है. You have to write the equation in the standard form and you have to get the value of a, b, and c. Okay. So now this is 3.765. 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, and this is 3.7. Now we require a pair of linear equations for variables of class in mathematics. So today we are going to complete the left out portions of exercise 3.6. Okay. So I think first to this side it will become minus. So 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now comparing it.
Namaste sir, I'm Sevyada from Kendriya Vidyalaya IISc Bengaluru. It's really been a hard time for all of us during this pandemic, especially students. It was really difficult for me to cope up with my subjects, especially maths and science. At this point, I found Kumar sir's online video classes in YouTube, which helped me a lot to tackle my problem with maths and science. So your explanation has made the things simpler to understand. And your assignment questions at the end of the session helped me to revise my topics. Your sample papers in your website have also helped me a lot to practice for my examinations. I really thank you, sir, for your great initiative, and I hope you keep uploading videos like this, sir. Thanks a lot, Kumar Swami, sir.
Good morning, my name is Kulpanak. I am a student of grade 10 of Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 Faridabad that comes under Gurugram region. I am really thankful to Kumar Swami sir for his painstaking efforts to create such brilliant maths videos that are really very beneficial to watch. Our class teacher, Mrs. Sindhu Batra ma'am, frequently posts his videos and test papers in our group. I often watch them whenever I have any doubt in maths. Those are very beneficial and very helpful in clearing my doubts. So I thank Kumar Swami sir wholeheartedly for his efforts and endeavour to help each and every student. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ruth Agnihotri and I am a student of grade 10. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 Faridabad and my Vidyalaya comes under the Gurugram region. Our class teacher Indu Batra ma'am first introduced Kumar Swami sir's videos to us. Sir's videos were really very helpful for me. The way sir teaches is really very interesting and it helps us to understand even the most complex topics in a very easy manner. The way sir taught me helped me to retain everything that I studied. I would recommend all class 10 students to watch sir's videos so that they are easily able to understand all topics of mathematics as well as physics. During the this COVID-19 pandemic, when we aren't able to go for any coaching classes or for any extra classes, sir's videos have proved to be as good as coaching. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Nikhil. I am from Kendra Vidyalaya number 5, Jaipur. I am in class 9 in the academic year of 2020 and 21. I want to express my gratitude towards our lovely teacher Kumar Swami sir and the efforts they have taken to educating us in the present scenario, due to which lockdown sudden imposed and schools are shut down. So our classes are also going online, in which you are very helpful as a teacher because you provide a lot of study material to us by the source of links and videos. Your videos are so amazing and beautifully designed and very helpful to us. Like RoboCompass video is very helpful in the chapter of construction, and the revision test videos are very helpful in the chapter and also other purpose. And in the last, very helpful sir for your efforts and your helpfulness. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Anar of class 10 of Kendra Vidyalaya Hassan of Bangalore region. In this COVID pandemic, right from the start, it has been really tough for me to cope up with my studies. Especially, I was feeling math is tough because we didn't have a proper guidance at the initial stage. But then, when I started to follow Kumar sir's video, I just couldn't believe that maths could be so fun. His teaching made the concepts simpler and crystal clear. I'm really very thankful to him that he makes such an amazing video about different subjects, both for class 9th and 10th, maths and science, that it has just been very easy for me to do maths right from the start. As maths cannot come in a day, right from the start, following his videos did wonders in my studies. I didn't feel maths was so easy that through online classes. But he just proved this wrong. His videos were so amazing and efficient. The efforts he took behind the video was just wordless. So I really thank him for all these wonderful sources which he provided. Yeah, one more thing is when he taught constructions or any topic related to geometry, he used sources like GeoGebra and RoboCompass. RoboCompass is a thing where you can actually go see the construction, like you can visualize the constructions as if it were real. There, even you can do constructions. So that helped really well because I never knew of such things, that maths could be visualized through animations as well, that where you can do it on your own. So thank you so much for making us aware of it. And GeoGebra is a place where you can see different concepts of triangles or trigonometry as well, where you can see things and you can do it on your own. You can experiment. If, for example, if the triangle is kept in such a way, how will the other triangle look if the criteria is of similarity? So he made things easy for us to understand through different animations and visualizations. His PowerPoint presentations were just amazing, and I'm just speechless about it. And one more is his practice papers and study materials. Practice papers just helped me like anything. It made us ready for every other test which are going to come further. Because as the syllabus is done, his practice papers help me to see where I stand. And that's very important before your exams, to see where you stand and where are you weak and which are your strengths. So his practice papers contained, I think, around more than hundreds of questions to make the concept more clear. He has given questions in such a way that there couldn't be any other question left regarding this chapter at this level. So of course, when you see that you're able to do a lot of questions of different varieties, it makes you strong day by day and you feel more confident. So that's what happened with me. I could do many different types of questions with his videos and his study materials. So his study materials gave a brief note about every concept that is there at the text. So his study material can also be taken for revision before any exam, for better understanding and for easy revision. So at last, I would just like to say, or I would like to thank him with my heart, wholeheartedly, that thank you so much for providing such a wonderful sources and such a wonderful teacher who made things easy and clear for everyone. It's not just me, but thousands of children around the world have been helped by your videos. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, I am Vedika from Kendriya Vidyalaya Ahmedabad camp studying in 12th. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher always inspires. This quote has been given by William Arthur Ward. For me, Kumaraswamy sir has always been a great teacher. I've never seen a teacher like Kumaraswamy sir in my life. The way he teaches is really interactive and understandable by students. I have seen Kumaraswamy sir working hard for us. I have been using sir's website since my class 9th. Sir has an extremely good material on his website. Since my class 9, I have used sir's website for my practice. Sir has also provided us sample papers on his website which are very helpful and effective. In my class 10, sir's sample paper has helped me a lot. I cleared my class 10th board exam with scoring well in mathematics. This is all because of sir's determination towards us. And also sir has uploaded minimum level learning material for those who are unable to score well. Sir sees into every student that if she or he can score very well. I feel really grateful and proud to be sir's student. I am very blessed to have such a teacher in my life. Sir, I thank you so much for being always there and clarifying my doubts. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Aditya Singh from Kendriya Vidyalaya Difu, studying in class 10 from Guwahati region. Sir, I don't know how to thank you, but literally I thanking you from the depth of my heart. Sir, मैं समझता था कि जो कंस्ट्रक्शनल चैप्टर है वो एक प्रैक्टिकल चैप्टर है जिसे हम प्रैक्टिकली समझ सकते हैं. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. बट जब मैंने यूट्यूब में सर्च किया, क्योंकि अभी तो कोरोना एपिडेमिक के चलते हमारी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन ही लग रही है, तो मैं एक लाइव क्लासेस की आदत है, तो उस चीज़ से हम पढ़े हैं कि हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो हम अंडरस्टैंड करते थे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में, उस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हमसे थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो रही है समझने में. तो इसलिए जब मैंने यूट्यूब में सर्च किया कि इस चैप्टर्स को कैसे समझाया जाए, तो कई वीडियोस तो मैंने देखे जिसमें बहुत सी चीज़ें मिसेस थी जो मतलब होनी चाहिए वो चीज़ नहीं बता पाते, या तो हम उस चीज़ से इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था मैं. तो लेकिन सर जब आपकी वीडियोस मैंने देखी, सर जेन्युइनली मैं बोलूँगा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगे. एक लाइव क्लासेस की तरह फीलिंग आ रही थी. प्लस आप इतने काम तरीके से इन स्लो प्रोसेस में समझाते हो ना सर कि अगर ना भी कुछ एक दो लाइन समझ में ना भी आए ना, तो आगे जो आप कंटिन्यू रखते हो उसमें क्लियर आ जाती है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है सर. और आप जो जिस स्टेप वाइज प्रोसेस से आप सॉल्यूशन लिखवाते हैं, बिकॉज बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में यही इंपॉर्टेंट रखती है, क्योंकि हमारे जो स्टेप मार्किंग है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कहीं के अगर सॉल्यूशन करेक्ट भी ना हो तो स्टेप मार्किंग में हमें बहुत मार्क्स मिलती है. तो बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के थ्रू से आपकी वीडियो सर मुझे बहुत हेल्पफुल लगी सर. प्लस आपकी एक्सप्लेनेशन इज वाओ एंड वेरी काम. एंड सर आई डोंट नो हाउ टू थैंक यू, बट from that constructional video I am looking your other videos because सर मुझे उस वीडियोस के बाद कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग आई कि मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं रिविजन में आपकी वीडियोस पहले जो आपने डाला होगा इस कई सारे चैप्टर्स का, अगर उससे अगर रिवीजन करूँ तो शायद बहुत अच्छे से बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, प्लस आपकी जो सॉल्यूशंस होती है वो भी एक बहुत ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होती है। देन सब, और सर आप जब क्लासेस करवाते हो ना तो ऐसे लगता है कुछ केवीज के टीचर्स ही पढ़ा रहे हैं जो हमारे स्कूल में होती थी। बाद में मुझे पता चला कि सर एक्चुअली यू आर ऑल्सो द केवीज टीचर, एंड आई डोंट नो सर हाउ टू थैंक यू फॉर दिस पर्पज, एंड आई एम थैंकिंग यू फ्रॉम दिस कंसर्न एंड फॉर योर दिस जॉब सर। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
सुप्रभात, मैं दीनम गुवाहाटी संभाग के अंतर्गत टीजीटी मैथ्स के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। मैं श्री कुमार स्वामी सर के बारे में इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि इस पेंडेमिक में सर ने अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स के थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स को जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवाया है वो काफ़ी सराहनीय है। सर जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ इस पेंडेमिक में अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो हम टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है। उनका हार्डवर्क एंड डेडिकेशन हम टीचर्स को भी इतना मोटिवेट करता है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इतना हार्डवर्क करें एंड उनके फ्यूचर के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम कर सकें। सर के जो ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड इवन टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे हैं। अगर स्टूडेंट्स को कोई डाउट होता है तो वो उनके वीडियोस के थ्रू इजीली समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वीडियोस में इतना डिटेल्स में एंड आपको हर टॉपिक अच्छे से क्लियर करते हैं। एंड उनके जो ब्लॉग्स थे मैंने भी यूज़ किए हैं, जो उनका स्टडी मटेरियल था। तो मेरा जो CBSE में 100% रिजल्ट आया था मेरी क्लास का, सो उसमें सर के ब्लॉग्स के मटेरियल थे उनका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। सो मैं कुमार स्वामी सर को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी कि सर आप हमारे लिए एक मोटिवेशन है, हम टीचर्स के लिए भी। एंड मैं विश करूँगी कि आप फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम करते रहें एंड हम टीचर्स को मोटिवेट करते रहें, ताकि हम आप जितना तो नहीं बट हाँ आप जैसा डेडिकेशन एंड हार्डवर्क करना सीख जाएं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, और ज़्यादा हम उनके लिए हार्डवर्क कर सकें। सो उनके ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहे हैं। सो मैं फ्यूचर में उनके लिए सक्सेस की विश करती हूँ कि सर आगे भी ऐसे करते रहें एंड आपको हमेशा अपनी हर फील्ड में सक्सेस मिले और आप प्रोग्रेस करें। थैंक यू कुमार सर।
Namaste, I am Kiran, appointed as TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ochipalam, Ernakulam region. कुमार सर से मैं पहली बार अपने इंडक्शन कोर्स में मिली थी केंद्रीय विद्यालय गच्चीबोली हैदराबाद में। जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ सर हमारे सेशंस ले रहे थे उन सब से मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हुई। That time I observed that sir's teaching is just like a spark that creates the desire to learn in all of us. इंडक्शन के बाद जब मैं अपने स्कूल में आई तो मैंने देखा कि मेरे सीनियर टीचर्स हैं वो बच्चों को कुछ सैम्पल पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे और बच्चे उन सैम्पल पेपर से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम। तो मैंने सीनियर टीचर से पूछा कि ये सैम्पल पेपर मैडम कहाँ से मिले, सर कहाँ से मिले? Then they told these are made by Kumar sir. After that I came to know about the YouTube videos, blogs and MLL of Kumar sir. I was really afraid when I was given 10th standard for first time. But all these materials were really helpful for me when I was taking the 10th standard for first time. Because of all these videos and blogs, I was able to give 100% result in 10th class. सर की वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स स्टूडेंट्स को ही हेल्प नहीं करते, these are helping teachers also. Sir is helping teachers that how to deliver a specific topic in class so that maximum output will be there. In this pandemic situation also, sir is every time ready to help us. And here I would like to share my personal experience. When I joined the KV, so I was facing the inspection for first time. I was afraid how to do, what to do. That time मैंने सर को कॉल किया, सर within 1 week inspection will be there in our school, so what to do? So सर ने बोला no need of getting tense, you just keep going as usual और इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होने के बावजूद भी सर ने मुझे कुछ पीपीटी और लेसन प्लान मेल किए. आफ्टर दैट आई वाज रिलैक्स्ड. So sir is very helpful, very dedicated and very hard working teachers. Sir, you are example of wonderful teacher. We are learning from you. So in last I would like to say most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. If we have a guide, a mentor, a motivator like Kumar sir, we can prove, we KV teachers can prove ourselves as a good teacher. Thank you so much sir. Thanks a lot for the help. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार. My name is Rekha Bala. I am TGT Mathematics in KV number 5, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And I know Kumar Swami sir since 2009. We met in service course. Since then, I am in touch with him. He is a very, very talented person, and I was very much impressed by his knowledge in computers. Even at that time, he used RoboCompass for the construction, and I still remember he delivered a lecture on construction, and his lecture was very, very, very wonderful. And even during lockdown time, I watched his video, and with the help of his videos, I helped my students also, especially 9th and 10th class, and I got a lot of help from him. His videos are worth watching, correct as far as syllabus is concerned, and his way of teaching is excellent, and way of delivering the lecture is also very, very nice. I personally want to thank Kumar Swami sir.
I am Priyanshi, class 10, studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gachibowli. At first, I would like to thank our maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir, for all the efforts and determination put forward, which are very beneficial to us, especially during this time when we are attending classes virtually. I have been using sir's website since class 6th for study material and sample papers. Sir's videos are also very useful as I can revise any topic again. Software applications such as GeoGebra and RoboCompass are also used by sir for better explanation. Sir explains every topic in detail along with many examples and also assigns us with many questions. Whenever we have a doubt, sir always helps us in clearing them. I would find myself very fortunate to be one of sir's students. Thank you.
I'm Zaina of grade 10 from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gachibowli. I would like to thank my maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir, who's been helping us to learn maths in this pandemic season. Since grade 6, he's been my maths teacher. I'm very thankful that I have Kumar Swami sir as my maths teacher who's been helping me in any difficulty. During this pandemic, it's been very hard for any teacher to teach from home. But Kumar Swami sir made it easy by creating a YouTube channel and teaching maths and science for grades 9 and 10. I would like to prefer solving his sample papers before any exam so that the exam would go on easily. For understanding difficult chapters like constructions, sir used GeoGebra, which made constructions easy to learn. Thank you sir for making maths easy and fun to learn.
I, Anshuman Sahu of class 10B, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, would like to thank my maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir. Mr. Kumar Swami sir has been my maths teacher since 6th grade. He is one of my favorite because he has his own unique ways and methods to teach us maths. He uses different types of technologies and techniques to make us understand trigonometric and other algebraic concepts. I would always prefer to go through his sample paper before attempting an exam because his sample paper contains questions which are similar to those which comes in the exam. Also, there are some various study materials available on his blog in WordPress. Even during this pandemic, he started making YouTube videos of different maths concepts so that we won't miss out from the syllabus and we can cope up with it. And he uses different types of online resources such as RoboCompass to make us understand constructions and trigonometry. Again, I would like to thank him for his hard work so that we can understand maths easily. Thank you.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Hello everyone, my name is A. Mokshini Yadav. I studied in class 10 in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So now I am going to speak about one of my favorite teachers, who is none other than Shri Kumar Swami sir. Firstly, before I speak about him, I would like to talk about the subject that he taught us, that is mathematics. Generally, many students don't like or hate mathematics, and there are various reasons for their hatred towards this subject. And the same was the case with our class too. But since Kumar sir started teaching in our class, many students showed and took interest into this subject. If someone asks me to describe about Kumar sir, there are so many adjectives that can be used to describe him and his personality. Some of them are awesome, caring, friendly, motivating, inspiring, encouraging, energetic, flexible, humble, open, patient, etc. He made maths easy and simple and also interesting by explaining the concepts using daily life situations as examples and made us understand the concepts more clearly. He also gave us shortcuts to solve the problems as well as improve our calculation speed. He always worked out the problems on the board step by step. That made it easier to learn and understand the problem within the class itself. He gave us so many practice questions from every chapter that made us understand what concept to be used in a given question. He clarified each and every doubt of all the students, whether it be an easy one or a difficult one. He even clarified doubts in science too, especially physics. He conducted classes even during the vacations and the weekends to clarify our doubts, to revise the chapters, and even to conduct tests and full sample paper tests for the upcoming board exams. He made us revise the chapters every chapter 2 to 3 times. That strengthened our confidence levels. He even took so many class tests and nearly 10 full sample paper tests for standard and basic mathematics, which improved our time management skills and also helped us to get rid of the exam fear. It also gave us a broader view of the type of questions that were to be asked in the upcoming board exams. As we all know, a picture speaks more than the letters. And also, a picture along with graphics has more impact than the calculations made over the board. Similarly, our sir taught us certain chapters like triangles and circles that consists of theorems and proofs, and even constructions chapter using presentations and visualizers, which proved to be of great help. Our sir made these theorems and their respective proofs simple and easy to understand using visualizer and presentations. He also organized a mathematics exhibition for his 10th class students and encouraged every student to take part in it along with their projects and models that were based on the mathematical concepts. This was a great initiative from his end that made us understand the practical features or aspects of these theorems, concepts, and principles more deeply. He also maintains a blog that consists of sample papers for maths and science for students of classes 6th to 10th. Minimum level material for standard and basic mathematics is also available on his website. Now, what is minimum level material? It's just a question bank that contains key points and formulas of every chapter along with the questions including MCQs. He has also uploaded sample papers for standard and basic mathematics along with the key solutions. And question banks for every class are also available on his website. You can check them all on his website, that is www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. His diligence is not only appreciated or respected and followed by us, but also by the students and teachers of other schools and several other countries too. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. I personally feel that Kumar sir is one of the great teachers and has inspired me a lot. All his classes were fun-filled and enthusiastic. He has positively affected our attitude towards maths. He has put so much efforts and has helped students to improve their maths skills. All the above aspects of Sri Kumar Swami sir make him the most favored teacher of our school. And I take pride in giving this testimony for his hard work, commitment and passion to make his students better citizens, better scholars and molding his students towards a healthy future. Thank you.
My warm greetings to everyone. This is Kavya Murli of class 10 from Kendra Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. This video of mine is just a meager way for me to talk about our maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir. As a student, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of a great teacher in our lives, but I can definitely say Mr. Kumar Swami sir was one such teacher. His method of teaching was unique and fruitful. He wisely used today's technology for the right purposes. He used visualizers to explain some chapters like constructions. He also used PowerPoint presentations to explain the concepts of similar triangles and many more like that. He conducted many sample paper tests for maths and science, which helped us perform our exams in peace and complete confidence. He organized extra classes excluding school hours to guide, mentor, and coach us to perform well in our exams. He changed the way we look at the complicated subject mathematics in a positive manner. He did not just inspire us, but he taught us to be good human beings with good moral values. They say the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. Sir's teaching is a blessing to everyone and anyone who he has taught, teaches, and will teach in the future. Sir is the true definition of a great teacher. I thank you so much, sir, for being an amazing teacher to me. Thank you.